Hello and welcome to the Mitacs presentation. So Mitacs, we have more than 20 years in operation in Canada, and we've been working with thousands of research projects and thousands of community partners over this time. Our main goal is to help develop the next generation of researchers who will work to fuel Canada's knowledge-based economy, and we do that through some programs. When you participate in a Mitacs program, you would expect to satisfy your intellectual curiosity with publication rights maintained, which is something we know it's really important for researchers. We also provide an alternative funding for your stipend. We allow you to apply your skills to real-world issues, and we also allow you to grow your network. Moreover, these internships can increase your employability. So when you finish your internship, you'd be ready to go to the job market. Our main programs are Accelerate and Elevate, which are both based on the research project, the Business Strategy Internship, which is based on development and innovation, and the Global Link, which is focused on international exchange. And I will describe a little bit of each program right now. Starting with the Global Link Research Award, which is an international program. We require that you have a supervisor here in Canada at your university, and we also require you to have a supervisor abroad in the university abroad. We will provide you with the $6,000 stipend for you to cover for your travel expenses or accommodation expenses, and then you would have 12 to 24 weeks to work on this research project. So basically, Global Link, the Global Link Research Award is a program for collaboration between universities. It's open to any degree levels of interns, any disciplines, and there is no deadline. So you can apply whenever you want. For our other programs, they all involve external partners, which are non-academic. So when we talk about these host partner organizations, they can be for-profit companies, not-for-profits, hospitals, and municipalities. And as a grad student or as a postdoc, you would be an eligible intern. Please keep in mind that we also need a lead academic supervisor at your home academic institution, which in this case is Queen's University. So Mitacs Accelerate is a non-competitive program. So we accept applications at any time. We hope to communicate a decision on the internship in about 8 to 10 weeks, and we have a very high success rate for this program. Essentially, the Mitacs Accelerate is a research collaboration between researchers and external partners, as I explained before. We are also open to any degree levels of interns. And the main focus here of the project, of the research project, is to answer a question that is relevant to the partner and to the broader research community. We are open to all sectors and all disciplines. It could be a small project or a large project, and it could be also a multidisciplinary project. We also have opportunities for international projects and for entrepreneurs. And essentially, the project will cost only 50% to the external partner. Mitacs contributes with the other half. You would build on 4-month internship units. You could have as many as units as you need, and the minimum stipend per unit for the intern is $10,000. The Mitacs Business Strategy Internship is very similar to Mitacs Accelerate, but right now we would be focused in an innovation project that would help the external partners to tackle business challenges they are currently facing. So again, we are open to any levels, all sectors and disciplines, and again, the project will cost only 50% to the partner. This is also a non-competitive program and with high success rates. Now, Mitacs Elevate is a program exclusive for postdocs. It's a call-based program, and we have 2 calls open per year, one in the fall, winter, and another one for the spring, summer. Elevate is a 2-year collaborative research project, so all parties should be committed to work 2 years in this project. Again, same eligibilities, but please keep in mind that for the interns, only postdocs are eligible. Mitacs Elevate also includes a professional development curriculum with a cross-disciplinary networking and peer learning opportunities, and also prepares fellows for success as leaders in research and industry. In this case, the fellowship is valued at 60 to 80K per year, and again, costs only 50% to the external partner. So if you're interested to see what projects we have right now, so partners who are already committed to a project and are now looking for the right interns, please go check this link in our website. And if you are interested in any open projects that we have, you can apply directly online or reach out to your Mitacs representative at Queen's University. Thank you for your time